Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. This is part 2 of my Raskog, my Ikea Raskog organisation. I have given it a good clean down. Let's have a look. Let's bring the camera down. Giving it a good clean out. And the frame as well. And surprisingly, considering I've had it for quite a few years, it wasn't that dirty. Now, I've managed to get all my planner and journaling supplies together. I can't think of anywhere else that they would be in the craft room, but obviously if I come across some stuff, I can always put it in here because this is one station for planners and journaling. And when I say for planners and journaling, only planners that I'm using now and only journals that I'm using now. All the new journals and planners, they can go into the other Raskog. I'll show you what I've done so far. Okay, so this one, let's bring this up a bit. Yeah, this one is for all my journals and planners that I'm using right now. So this is my wall binder. This is my journal. This was my very first journal I made for mixed media, and I used up some old Happy Planner inserts. I thought, you know, might as well use them. I did double them up, so they're pretty thick, and I haven't had a chance to do any mixed media at the moment, but I am gonna definitely get round to doing that. This journal I have just made, my junk journal, and I can't wait to get stuck into it. I really can't wait. This is a planner that I usually use to jot things down on a daily basis, if I've got things to jot down on a daily basis. This is my travel that I've been putting bits and pieces in there, but I'm way behind with this. I've got a lot of stuff in a little bin all set aside to put in my travel journal. This is my writing board. Remember, I made this writing board. I need to make one for my B6 journal. This is my prayer journal that I write a lot of prayers, bedtime prayers, morning prayers, afternoon prayers, lunchtime prayers, and just prayers that I might want sort of like for healing and stuff like that. This one is, it's a creative Bible journal, and this is a moleskin actually. I covered it. I did cover it, and I doubled up the pages. I did. And this is just to sayings that I like, about scripture and stuff like that. That's what I'll be using that for. I did cover it up and everything about a year now, and I haven't got around using it, but I will. This paper has come from an Etsy seller. I purchased this from an Etsy seller early last year. I did, and I really do like it, really do like it. So that's that. And then remember my December daily, which I'm still working on. And then I have my creative journal for last year, and I want to do a flip through with this one at some point. I made this band for it as well. And then I have got my my faith journal, traveler's notebook, that I put scriptures for fear and anxiety in. So I've got all the scriptures listed on a piece of paper. I've listed all the scriptures for fear and anxiety, and I normally write them in to this traveler's notebook. This is my on-the-go traveler's notebook, on-the-go faith traveler's notebook. So if I'm going on journeys, you know, maybe with the church and stuff like that, and retreats, women's Christian retreats, I will take this with me. I love this so much. It is so cute. Honestly, it is so cute. And I have to remember to replace the pens as well, because I got some new pens from AliExpress for this one and my traveler's notebook passport size. And then I have my little 3-ring mini binder journal that I have in here. All of them are being used apart from this one that I'm going to do a flip through and then put that away. I was going to put the stickers on this shelf, but I decided not to. I just thought it's better if I left the journals on this side, and I've still got space around the perimeter if I need to put any stickers, if I need more space. But what I found, I've put the stickers on the second shelf, and I'll get down there and show you. So here I have the second shelf, and all the stickers will be going in this one, so I'll just get them. Right, so I've got this box with some of them. I did take them out the basket, so I'll just get all the Happy Planet stickers in. I really have got my eye on a few more Happy Planner sticker books, but it's so expensive to get them from America. I did get a few from America a few years back, but everything is just so expensive now. I don't think I'll be able to do it again. But I do keep an eye out on Amazon for bargains, and see what I can pick up. But usually, this is another spare bin that I found in the craft room. But usually I find with the reduced Happy Planner stickers on Amazon, they're normally the old ones, like a lot of them I have already. So I just got to, you know, wait and see what I can grab. Now, this one doesn't fit, so I'll put that on the side, and these ones fit, so these ones will go here, and these two will go on the side. This will go there. I think this should be able to fit there as well. Yes. And these can go on the side here. I've really got to use up some of these stickers. I really have to. Right, those will go there. And these will go there as well. Lovely. And I've got these, the sticker dots, that will go in there. And I've got this little bee that the love gave me. Little bumblebee, so cute. It's like ceramic. Yeah. If it drops, it'll break. If it drops on concrete or anything, it'll break. It's ceramic glass. And it says, I will always be there for you. Don't know if you can see this. So cute. So I just leave it in here. Oh, I better put it on the top. Yeah. And then now I've got these in the A4 envelope. These are all the planner stickers that I can just slip in the back here. So those are in the back. There you go. So now I have the bottom shelf. This little bin is going to go into the bottom because I'm really using up the space and the little bins that I have. And I have these that they are very much planner related. This one, I've showed you this already. Right, so that's planner related. This is also planner related. And this one as well. So I'm putting them on the bottom shelf here. These are the shopping lists that sometimes I use in my planner, so I'm going to put them in here as well. And these are planner stencils. They can actually go in here so I can see them better, because I will use them more often than down here. I will only look down here if I need something specific, like one of these planner sheets. Now, these are all my post-it notes. They'll go in here. And I wanted to put all the vintage stickers in here as well. And let's see if I can put it on its side so get a bit more space. Let's see. Go, a bit more space there, and then I could always put, I have these, I've got my faith stickers. I can actually stick it into here, the faith stickers, because I've got my faith sticker books in there. And then these are planner stickers. So I'll just put them in here. I can actually put them round the back and put maybe something smaller, or I can put these round the back because they're not going to be used every day. These are used every day. More stickers here. So I'll get them in there. Be better off in there. That's better. And then these two go at the back here. Trying to stay out of the camera. And the post-it notes can go in here. Right. And these can go round the back. There we go. And these, the shopping list, can go on the side. Now, I've got all these spare planner supplies. Let's turn this back around. I've got all these spare planner supplies. These are dashboards from my A5 planner. These are all the Filofax inserts and dashboards. these are all A5 spare planner papers, and this is a hodgepodge of mini happy planner supplies. I will not be putting them in here. I've decided not to put them in there because I'm not using them at the moment. So they will go onto the other Raskog with all the other planner supplies and all the brand new planners that I am not using at the moment. So that is that for now. This is my YouTube crafting ideas, so I will definitely put this up here. Yep, that deserves a place up there because I need it. Alright, so that's that. Let me get up. So that's done. And second shelf and the third shelf done. Well, Archie's down at the front of the house barking. I don't know who's at the door. Well, there's no one at the door. Someone might be just walking past. I may add on some bits and pieces pertaining again to my planner supplies, so there might be a part 3. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.